What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We're about to start the stream. We're about to start the stream. I'm about to start the stream, guys. Let's go. Hey guys, it's good to have you guys on a Tuesday morning. Hope you guys are super excited to start the day off with me. As I am, I'm super excited and I can't wait for this stream to start so we can start doing what we know how to do best. So before I commence, um, dear Lord, we thank you for today. We thank you for this beautiful morning. We thank you for this beautiful day you're giving up to us. Lord, as we begin the stream, come and guide us, come and guide my step, come and show me what I should do and what not to do. My guidance, teach me the art of patience, teach everyone out there the art of patience. Whoever is listening to the stream or streaming into the stream, bless them and bless their home. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Now, first thing we need to do is we're going to look at our forest factory, which I'm already there, and check what exactly is going on our forest factory. So from there we can commence and know exactly what the price is telling us or what we're likely see in the market today. So looking at the whole forest factory, we have no TPP news this morning. And doing 130, we have CAD, which is CAD CPI, which I made mention of it yesterday. So this is what we have, and this is what we're working with today. So that being said, let's go back to our first. Let's go to our chart and let's work our way through. So these are levels I kept yesterday, and you can see that currently, yeah, this was the support level I drew yesterday, and the support level still hold. This level. Remember, this is where we look for opportunities. Sell below here, and the buy was above, and we buy happened to play out. So that was the trade of yesterday. So before I continue, let's clear up everything and let's close everything and let's walk our way through. Let's do a proper analysis. So let's go back to our daily time frame and see how the previous day ended. So the previous day, gold is kind of consolidating a bit. You can see it's just printing backward, bull and bear. So that's what gold is currently doing right now. But that being said, let's find a way to look for opportunities where we can look to enter the market. So what we need to do is that inside this we have like a level of resistance here. I also have a level of support here on the daily. So if I scale down to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that way it is, and you also have a level of support here on the 4 hours, which price has not broken and closed below. You can see this one attempted it, but still close inside the level. So that's one thing that I noticed here. So the other thing we need to do is that I will scale down to the lower time frame again, which is the 1 hour time frame, and see what's going on in the 1 hour. So 1 hour is doing something like a break and retest of structure for price to continue pushing downwards. But in order for us to get an entry, we need price to do something for us. So this I most likely adjust my resistance level to above this level, and I think we have a support level around this level. So if I go to the 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes hold. So we have like 4 minutes to the end of this 15 minutes, and we also have another support level. I know I look like I'm talking too fast, but look like we have another support level below the structure here. So this is it. So if this price close the way it's looking like, we will likely look to go short 33 pips stop loss, 30 pips target. So let's see. Hopefully the retracement doesn't go to doesn't push up too much. Probably get a retracement that's like around this level, so it can be like 1 to 1. But if there's a lot of volume, we expect price to keep driving to the downside. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what we more likely see. So let us wait. So this is what's going on. In order for us to place a trade on this pair, we need let me show you guys. So we need some kind of like this, do this way like this. Then we see like a retracement, then the flip, then this one looks to sell. But if you don't get it here, and price close below the structure like this, then we can also look for retracement, or probably see if we get some kind of small bullish push closing like this, Then the next candle bearish, then we might look to sell like this. Then sell when price breaks below this low. This is what we look to sell. But let's wait and see how this candle moves. Hopefully it doesn't 2 more minutes, it doesn't push completely down before the candle close. Hopefully you just push it. Because like this is already almost halfway to the candle. You can see this is 15, this is 30. So let's see how this candle holds. So that being said, for buys is above this level. You see price already created a double top. So should be a movement. Should be a movement. Should be a movement. So that being said, let's look at GPP GPY. Look at GJ. Let's see what GJ is doing. So DJ is dipping right now. It's currently dipping. And let's work our way to the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on from the daily. This is the daily. We had I dropped the structure yesterday that this price will likely go up from this level. We actually had a push, but the today candle is pushing back because on it still has like the candles representing bearish. So we still have a bearish momentum coming out from GJ. So if I go to my 4 hour time frame, we can see that this support of yesterday still holds. Price has not broken below the support level. So but we have like a bearish push down. So what are going to happen now is like if I scaling down more, you see that price actually has the support level here, which it currently hold, which you might actually see a push back up there, but I don't know yet. But going yeah, I might actually see a push back up. I actually see a push back. But before we continue this, let's go back to gold. I'll come back to analyze today. Let's go back to gold. Gold is about to close. The position is about to close. So let's see how it's going to close. And we'll look for if we can get into this trade or not. All I need is retracements. Then if you look for opportunities, I need pullback. Price has to pull back. Price is to pull back. Where can I put my stop loss? If I sell the restriction, should be the trade. I'm not in, guys. If I'm in, I'll let you guys know. I'm looking at the 5 minutes as 5 minutes will break below the structure. So I think we're gonna wait for. I think we're gonna wait for the 30. I think we're gonna wait for the 30 minutes. I just show my drive, but I think I'm gonna wait for the 30. But if I get that retracement I need, if I get that pullback I need, then we can probably look to enter the trade. Okay, guys. Since currently gold is not doing what I want currently now. Um, okay, it got a bit of retracement, but not the type that I need. But if this candle in the next few minutes can likely close below this low, and basically five the hourly ends in 10 minutes. So let's see if this 5 minutes can close below this low. Maybe I can risk it if there's volume. But if that didn't happen, that doesn't look like it's happening. Um, we'll wait till the next 30 minutes. Let candle end the next 30 minutes. Then we'll look forward to it. So let's go to GJ. And let me remove this so people don't think that I placed a trade. I didn't place any trade. I was just checking out something. And it didn't even quite never got there. So looking at GJ now, like I said, this level holds and it's looking like a level that price will likely want to start pushing upwards. But it needs a structure to be formed in order for us to look like okay, let's go for longs. Although you can see the momentum is bearish, you can see it has a very strong momentum to the downside. But I still feel like this can push the way it pushed yesterday. I don't know. This could be a level where price would like to just be rejecting off from. So let's see if we can see these 15 minutes as close bearish. Let's see if this 15 minutes, which ends in 9 minutes, can close strong bullish above as well. So something like this. Like the way it is now, just close something like this. You get me? So the next one you can reject down and you can look to just buy the flip, so you can buy to the upside and look for opportunities around this level. So this is another thing that you can look at and monitor in order for you to place a trade here. So that what I'm saying on GJ as well. But nothing for now. So you just have to just wait and see how the whole structure plays out in order for us to look for opportunities. You get me? But for now, nothing. Just wait. Just chill and wait. You can see it is actually playing out. So I don't know. Maybe I'll consider entering GJ, but we just have to see. Look at gold. How gold is doing. Okay, gold is 15 minutes. Is closing bull. This still gives me a good edge because if you close bull and not inside the zone, and the 30 minutes is still below the structure, then what I'm going to do is we're going to place a trade below this level. Below this level, that one I'm going to look to sell. Get. So wait guys, 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes of patience won't do anything. So just wait to see how the whole structure plays out comfortably. So wait. You see it's already turning bearish, bull, bearish, bull, bull, bearish, bull, bearish, bull. So just wait it out guys and see what the price is trying to do. Then we know how we can. So why is structure? This is 5 minutes I'm talking about. Wait. So if the trade decides to just push and okay, let's see. If the 5 minutes close below here, I might be interested in the trade. I actually might be interested in the trade. But let's wait and see. Wait and see. Let's wait and see. If the 5 minute close below there, I might be actually be interested, but let's wait and see. So let me, okay, it's pushing. Hopefully it doesn't break that previous 15 minutes. Oh, down, down. See how then close. Let's wait. Let's wait. So it's be something like this, really slow, and the stop loss will be above this level here. This will be the structure. This will be the structure here. Well, let's wait. Let's wait to close. When your last 5 minutes, I don't think I will likely get into this trade. But again, it is good. Gold can do crazy things. So let's wait. Let's wait. Okay. I like 5 minutes. So always expect like a rejection during the last 5 minutes of the candle. So this I'm not in on these guys, I'm not in. Even though the trade might flip now and push down, I'm not in because it's always the last 5 minutes. And besides, sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen, but there are sometimes that price can just after it has activated you should just push to your entry like in the last 5 minutes. This is basically the last 3 minutes. But there's also time that price might activate you and start dancing around your entry. And the next candle might actually like the next candle is actually the start of the London section. So the next candle can retrace after the whole um price starting you in. You get, so that's it. So you just have to wait. Let's wait it out. So 3 more minutes and let's wait. So you guys, since we have 3 more minutes, just give me a second. I'll be right back. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we're gonna get the closure we need. So we have 1 more minute, 1 minute 30 seconds. We're gonna get the closure I need. Then probably I still like this 5 minutes. I still want this price to close below the 5 minutes. Although the high time frame is better, but I still want this. Sometimes the lower time frame plays a huge role on what the higher time frame is going to do. Same way the higher time frame plays a huge role on what the lower time frame is going to do. But I want this particular count close. Essentially, it's alright, Sha. It's alright. Anyway, it ends. It's alright. Looking at the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and let's go to the 4 hours as well. Okay, few seconds to go. Nice move. Nice move. Okay. Once it flips, I'm actually selling it. So I'm sending out the signal right now in the group. It's about to activate me. So I know you activated, guys, but once it flips, let's say I play out. Let's say it goes. Risks only what you can afford, guys. If you placed the trade yesterday and you in profit, do not risk too much on this trade. So okay, we're in, guys. The trade just got us activated. So we're in. So let's see how this trade plays out. We just got activated on this trade. So we're in, guys. So I look to this. I going to manage trade. Once trade this price break below um this previous 30 minutes, I look to move my stop loss to break even. You guys, I move my stop loss to break even. So 23 pips stop loss. So let's get this. Let's get this right. Let's get this right, guys. 9 pip in profit. So I'm moving my stop loss to break even now. So I'm going to risk free. I'm going risk free on this trade. Like it's already on 10 pip. So I'm going risk free on this trade. So I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Around 15 people already on this trade. Sorry, guys. Around 15 people on this trade already. Oh. Man, this is banger, man. This is banger. So I'm risk free and have no risks on this table. Like there's no risks on this trade again. So if it comes up to hit me at break even, then so be it. So be it. Okay, guys. The trade hits our stop loss, our break even. Sorry, it might actually play out, but it might not play out too. So I'm okay with what just happened right now. I'm very okay with it because I need to manage my risks aggressively too because I know I'm risking. So it was just like a 20, I had like 23 pip stop loss. You can see price is actually going back to that level. You see how I manage this trade, like see how I manage this trade properly. So only if this trade has moved a bit, if it has gotten to this is what I'm looking at to start securing profits when it gets to this level. So only if price has pushed more, see price is about to hit us at SL. So only if price had pushed down a bit to this level, then I'll look to start managing my risks and securing profit. So this is a beautiful trade, a beautiful risk management. Price came down, broke the low. The way I explained that this is where I'm looking to start managing my trades. So price broke below the low. I moved my stop loss from where it was to my entry. So it's be read free. If you don't know how to do that, guys, there's a video I posted on TikTok, or it's also on my YouTube. Check my YouTube shorts. I posted a video on how to move your stop loss. I don't know if I've done that yet, but I posted a video like that. Well, you check my shorts. I think you see it around there. So this is a trade I managed properly, very well managed. I like the risk management. Everything was on point. So what we're going to do now, we're going to wait to see if we're going to get any other opportunity in the market. So this was what I was looking for, and see if we have entered from here, this spot here. You see, price would have definitely come up now to hit us on our stop loss. So this entry was the perfect entry for us, and price pushed down. We managed our trade, so that's it. That's a win. That's a win, guys. So what we're going to do now, we're going to wait. Seems like the sell is not, it's struggling. It might play out later on, but it's struggling because there's also a level of support down here. There's a level here price is getting up from. So always know your entire support. That's why I was in a hurry to move my stop to break even, because I know how price can react off some certain areas. So that was in a hurry. Okay, it's time for me to move my stop loss. Break. So that being said, let me put the record down. So it's going to be let me drop the message on the group first, guys. Be hit. So let me update the record. Now that the price, let me clear up everything now. Let's do another analysis. Now the another analysis is that um let's do another analysis. That this level like this is an area we should be mindful of. And I was looking for sell when price broke below the structure, and price did but couldn't. There was no volume for price to keep pushing to the downside. So the London session has started this London volume, and it is currently pushing upward. So we have a max trade of 2 a day, and we have gotten our first trade, which was a BE. So basically, we are in no trade for now. That's basically just one trade. So looking at the whole structure, if price, okay, let's go to 30 minutes first. Okay, 30 minutes is bearish, which means that this candle can see flip bearish and push down. Okay, and it has not closed above this level. Okay, see that. Okay, in order for me to enter any opportunities here, this trade might actually flip back down and push. Might actually flip down and push, but I think my sales now is going to be below this level, because this is where I feel like price is more safer to drive from. So I'm going to be looking for sales below this level. I've attempted to sell here, and price wasn't ready to push downwards. Instead, it pushed down a bit and came back up. So I will look to I look to I look to sell when price gets below the structure. Then for buys, let's just, so this is the new support level. Looking at it, the new support level, and I can't see, the more the price moves, the more the range gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So you just have to wait and see exactly how the candle goes. But for now, we are, like I said, we have attempted the sales already, and price wasn't ready to push. But if you get a closure, this is a CCP range. This range is a CCP range. Okay, it's over 70. Okay, this was a range CCP. So if you get a closure above um, this level here, if you get a closure above this level and the next candle gives you a decent retracement, you have to see that this one is a must. You must see that retracement, and it gives you a decent retracement, and you can look to probably buy the market upwards. So, but let's just wait and see. I'm not in a hurry. I'm already up from yesterday trades. I'm already up for the week from yesterday trades. So let's wait and see how these structures play out. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But you might likely to get a sell. I don't know. It's all left of market structure. It's what price print out. So the best thing to you to do, the best kind of thing for you to do is just wait for candle closure. So what I'm doing now, I'm waiting for candle closure. I'm waiting for the 15 minutes to close. I'm not doing any impulsive entry, I'm not watching any setup. I'm waiting for the candle to close. So I'm currently waiting for the 15 minutes candle to close. Then I'll know what else I'm going to do. You understand? So you need to be patient, have a decent analysis what you want price to do, and if price play out that way, then you dive in. You get dive in. Let's look. Okay, let's do something. Let's look at our left. Let's see our price reacts. The funny thing is that this sell my later my decide to play out. That's the funny thing. That this sell my later decide to like let me play out. But we gave it our best. That was it. That's what I can say. We gave the trade our best. So I'm looking for how we can likely get in. So price can just do this like this. Close this one, close the way it is. The next one will probably close below like this. Then you can something like this. I don't know. Let's see, something like this. Sell here, or I prefer this level, like I said, so we can get some buyers around this level like this. This is what I want price to do. This is what I want gold to do. So let's just wait and see. It's true. Like I said, this my price might just be dragging. It went up to drive liquidity, and see it's flipping bearish now, and likely to. Or you wait. You what you gotta do is wait. What you gotta do is wait. Wait for the next extra 15 minutes. So wait for the extra 15 minutes. Gold, gold, gold. What are you up to? See, it's so there was no how in this trade that I was going to have. Let's see. There was no how in this trade that I was going to have a stop loss of 56 p of 60 p when the range is basically half of it. You get there was no how. This is where market tests your guys' patience. You get me? It's like this is where market tests your patience. Like if you're not patient enough, you look price is pushing down, price is pushing down, price is pushing down. You tend to start trading as you like, placing buy stop, sell stop. You're selling as you like. This is where price like actually tests your patience. You get me? So I've just given you guys have like, it's not as if you're trying to predict the market, but you're just trying to give a clear give yourself a clear understanding of what price will likely do. I don't know if that makes sense. Like you're giving yourself, okay, this is what I feel like price is going to do. You understand? So basically that is just it. The only thing to do is see it's in between. So this is even a thumbs up for me because I'm definitely gonna be not looking for opportunities here. You understand? I'm definitely gonna look for opportunities until price does stop. So we have 15 more minutes. Let's see what happens in the next 15 minutes. If we're going to be looking for any opportunities or we're going to be calling it um this is good though. This is good. We're waiting guys. We're waiting for price to give us some entries, but there's nothing going on. Is it try? Okay. And I feel like we did the best we can. Yes, I feel like we did the best we can. We'll wait. What is let's see. So we placed total of 7 trades on the stream. We have had 4 wins. A single loss, which came out from the single loss came out from GPY. The 4 wins is from gold and two break even. Two break even in the sense that price move in profits. Then I move my stop loss to break even before price reverse back to stop me out. So that's what it meant. That's what I mean by break even. So that's it. So there's nothing to see here. I'm waiting. We've had an opportunity. Price was not ready to push where we wanted it to push to. So we have an opportunity. The only thing we can do right now is the only thing we can do now is wait. You get the only thing we can do now is wait. Just wait. We're waiting, guys. We're just waiting. We're waiting, guys. So 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes feels like this. There's already support here. There's already resistance here. Sorry, resistance here. Resistance here. So we have to wait. Most likely we might not get another opportunity on stream, but if I get an opportunity, I'm going to send it to the group. So if you're on the stream and you have no access to the group, I'm going to pin it right now. I just dropped a message on the stream. You can check it out. um you can check it out now. You can check it out. That's basically it, guys. There's nothing to see, nothing to price is being good is being good currently. Good is being good. You get good is being good. Well, that's a W. For me, that's a W because we follow our analysis, we follow everything that we needed price to do. So that price was not trying to push our way. You get that was it. That's a W for us. So we have 9 more minutes. So in the next 9 minutes, if this candle, which I highly doubt, give me any signs of possible entry, then I'll look to then. But in order for me to look for any entry currently, the 30 minutes has already the 30 minutes is already off the game. It's like it's off. But if you can get closure above this level, a bullish like a retest like this, break up the high, will be a opportunity. But I'm not looking to look for any opportunity in good. The only opportunity I'm currently trying to find, even though I know that the entire range is from those points to it's already like ATP, is that I need a break above this level. I need price breaking above this level where I have a much cleaner range or a sell. Let me move this again. Let me move this. This is why I simply want price to do break above. So let me just put it so you guys see it. This is what I want price. This is exactly what I want price to do. So buys above, buys above. You get so I want price to break above the structure for me to for buys. And for sales, I've already attempted sales here today and price didn't really do much. You get me? You can see the count is moving. So price didn't really do much. So in order for me to look for any kind of opportunity to sell, it's below here. So this is my sales. My sales comes down below the structure. So this is sales below. So this is what I want. Like this is what I'm looking for. You get. So for the buys, I was actually waiting for price initially before this all this. I was waiting for price to close above this level, like above this level, bullish close above the level. So I can probably look for a small retracement and opportunity for me to buy the price to the upside. But we never got that. Price never did that for us. So that being said, um, that being said, price just decided to push. So we have 7 more minutes to chat. If you have anything you want me to check, just let me know. So for GJ never played out the way I wanted it to play out. The structure holds. The current 15 minutes now is breaking structure. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Okay, it's breaking structure too. So if the 30 minutes can close the way it's closing now, you can get some opportunity to likely sell the market below the structure to the downside. So you can sell. You have about 15 pip range. So stop loss should be around that if it doesn't break below the structure. So stop loss can be around 14 based on the all buyers currently now is price pretty bearish. The 4 hours is bearish, the 1 hour is bearish, the current daily candle too is is showing a bearish structure too, and the 15 minutes is bearish, the 30 minutes is bearish, the 1 hour is the only one that's the previous 1 hour, the only one that's not bearish. But the moment this 1 hour see it's broken the low, so you can expect some kind of bearish momentum to the downside. So we just have to wait it out and see what it goes. 5 more minutes. So, but I won't be trading GG. I won't be trading GG because for me to trade GG, I usually risk more in terms that I always increase my lot size. And GJ is kind of candle that if I look at anytime I look at my trade history, um, it's always GJ that's always giving me that one rubbish um negative trade. So and it's already pushing already. keep pushing. It's already literally there. So there's no need. Let's see how it goes. I might call it out if you guys are interested in it. So or this is see. So I just zoom out. As I zoom out now, you can see the structure well. It's perfect. Structure is perfect. Looking for break above, then continue buying, break below, sell around it. So the structure is perfect. So there's no need for many counters, many lines on your chart. So just make it simple. Like make it simple. Break it down to yourself so you can understand that this is the best market structure you can do. There's no more to it or less to it. You get, so always make the structure simple. Four more minutes, guys. Was not liking me, and I was really hoping that this could be an opportunity. So this is basically like the we've been having yesterday. We had a trade yesterday. Today to have a trade yesterday. So it's been a while. We had back to back trade. It seems like normal section is beginning to pick up is momentum. You get me? Beginning to pick up momentum. Yesterday we had like two trades. You get me? Two trades. So let's see. It seems like the whole London momentum is coming back into the charts, which is good. So which is good. So that's it. If you're new to the stream, guys, don't feel to give me also a like, give us a share, subscribe, show some love, guys. Show some love. Wow, this one count is actually pushing, guys. This one count is pushing, and I'm really skeptical about it because of the way it's pushing. This one count is pushing, like it's pushing crazy. 2 more minutes, and it's wow. We're gonna get a break. Well, will I get an entry? That's the thing. We're going to actually get a break. We're going to get the break of structure currently. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get a second entry. Let's see. Let's see, guys. 1 more minute. So 1 more minute, guys. I think the highest I'll do is like I'll go after the stream. After the stream, I'll just wait it out a bit. I'll wait for an extra. I'll wait for an extra 30 minutes. I'll wait for an extra 30 minutes, and if you get any entry in the next 30 minutes, I will send it out. If I'm not feeling trade, I'll let you go. So, I guess. So that's it. 30 minutes has ended, and nothing to see on gold. Still below the resistance level, the level I drew for possible buy. So there's nothing to see. So I think I'm going to round up here. So let's check DJ. Oh my. So DJ has literally done the entire move. So let's see how we will put no. DJ has done the entire move already. So if DJ has closed somewhere around where I wanted to close, get retracement, it should have been 10 people. So DJ has done his entire move already. So there's nothing more to look at. Nothing more to look at. So let's see. Let me see. Um, we might get. So what? This is what I'm going to show you guys. So I'm telling you guys that I'm looking for. So I need some kind of strong bullish closure, like I explained before. Strong bullish closure above this level. Okay, strong bullish with a small wick. Yeah, because you can see a lot of rejection here. It's just a small wick bullish closure closing above. Then the next candle can retest the structure that it broke. Then at the flip or at the break of the wick rejection, that's why I look for positions to go long. And we have a range of 90 pip. If we measure it properly, it's about 100 pip. So this is what I'm waiting for on gold to play out. But the stream has ended, and that'll be all. You can feel free to subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Let's try and make some money this week. So that'll be all, guys. So see you guys tomorrow. Peace.